Alright you guys, got my long torque bar here. We're getting ready to remove this head pretty soon. I'm going to start off by breaking loose these head bolts. So these first two on the front here are reverse torque E10s. And the rest of the other ones here are reverse torque E12s. Like I said, just want to break them a quarter of a turn each first. And then after that don't forget to get these chain guide out. So I got to get those out. I got to get this bracket here that is hiding some of the retaining bolts that holds this chain guide in there. And after that I can remove the bolts and take the head off. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. Alright. Again, this is size 14 socket here. Okay. 14. Good. 14. Bad. Fits. Don't fit. Dude. What's up with all these mix matching bolts, man? Where is he getting these from? Yeah, it's helpful to have a jack, you know. That way you can move the engine up and down. Especially when getting to some of these bolts here. They're kind of tough to get to, so if you have a jack, with that engine mount off the way, you can move the engine around. Alright you guys, so this is what we came to find. A broken chain guide here. And yeah, it kind of just occurred in chunks here. And if you can see also down below here, and I don't know if this lighting will allow me, but you can see it does look kind of damaged down below there. And see if I can get down here somehow. Here's the oil pump, I believe. And you can see down below here. Just remove this. Oh, word of advice for you guys. To not lose your bolts. You know, it's good to kind of just put them back where they go when you take off the components. That way you won't lose the damn bolts. But in any case, let's go ahead and inspect down below here. Can we see what's going on inside of here? I don't know. How does that gear look like to you? Does it look worn out? Because if it is, I might have to get a new one too. But I'm not sure how that looks like. I think it looks okay. Yeah, maybe it's alright. In any case, the oil pan is coming off, so I can see what's inside and have to clean up the oil screen because there could be particles clogging that up too. So we'll pause the video and then we'll resume once we get the head out into the garage and inspect it. Alright. Okay, so here's the head off. And let's go ahead and take a look at the pistons here. I think they look okay. Cylinder 1. Doesn't look like there's any damage to the wall really. And the piston's okay. Cylinder 2. I don't know, I mean there's like little gouges though here, maybe. Same thing with here actually. Cylinder 3. And cylinder 4. Yeah, there's like some gouges around there, but not sure that's going to affect it. I don't know. We'll have to take a look at that closely. But in any case, there's the head gasket. It's one of those cheapy ones, and I'm going to put the same thing on, a cheapy one, but let's go ahead and look at the gasket here. I think that's okay. I don't see any breaches in the gasket, so I think it still had compression. Alright. And of course, let's look at the block. think I see any cracks to any of the cylinder sleeves here. I don't see any major damage here. Okay, so here's the bottom of the head. You can see some of these valves here do look bent, like this one here. If I can just show you, you can see the angle at which it comes out. It is kind of curled, I guess you can say. In other words, the valve is not really coming straight out. You can see it looks like this edge down here. It was closer to the cylinder head than this top edge over here, which indicates that the shaft or the stem of the valve is bent. And that's cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, and cylinder 4. So that's how that looks like down below there.